Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing you how to make this beautiful bandhani earrings. So let's get started. So for this earrings I'm going to take 2 cm diameter of a circle and I'm going to wrap it up with this blue cloth or fabric, and the glue gun works best for this project. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to take this bandhani fabric and I have already lined with the blue fabrics because this is so sheer, so I don't want the cardboard to see through. So I'm just going to cover the cardboard, which I cut it in a rectangular shape, and this is how it looks. So these are the two pieces. It's ready. Now I'm going to apply a small mirror on the round circle, and with the punch hole plier I'm going to punch a hole, and I have added the link in the description box if you like to purchase this. Now I'm going to add this silver charm which looks like this. So I'm going to remove the top part and then just apply this right here, and I have added all the links in the description box of all the materials that I have used. Now I'm just going to take the jump ring and then attach few of this bell here and then attach it to the circle part just like this, so it kind of hides the connection. And then I'm going to stitch a jump ring here. Now I'm going to connect them. And add a dangling here, which I added some beads and bells to it. So this is our finished earring, and I'm going to cover the back with the earring post and a fabric so that it looks neat and tidy. And same I'm going to do with the rectangular part, just like that. So our earring is done. Let me know in the comments how do you like this, and I have also available this for the purchase. I have added the link in the description box. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time with another project. Till then, bye bye.